Hi friends, tonight I want to pick this nice big ace padlock open for you. I got it a couple of days back from Parajames. It says Series A 527 and it's like an American lock, and I had it partly apart. You can see the keyway. And it has a lot of serrated pins inside, and the cord turns very heavy. It's not easy to pick this open. You will see. And let's clamp it in the vise, and I will tell you a little bit more about it. As I said, I had the, the lock partly apart, and behind the core there's an anti-bypass plate, so very nice, but it's very hard to get this anti-drill plate out of the lock, and I'm not bothering taking this apart today. But anyway, here's the key. Very nice up and down. It's a 5-pin lock, but the core is actually a 6-pinner. With a 6-chamber knot pinned. So I will use a deeper multi-pick as I go from the bottom here. Let's see, there's another tension wrench. It's needed to get this thing open. So let's see, hopefully you can see well. Yeah. I'm just feeling the pins. A little click. Pin 1's loose. Another click of 2. Some other clicks. 3. Basically I have to go from pin to pin. Feel for some clicks. Some more clicks here. I have only a relatively light tension. Probably you can hear the clicks. One's loose. Another click of 2. Okay. Got a little movement. Let's see. Pin 1 is doing. He wants to go. Okay. Let's see. 5 is solid. And here it's open. Thankfully a little bit easier this time. I will actually show you inside how I got the plate out, but not taking the core apart. Let's see where the little lamp is. It does have nice ball bearings. Here you can see the screw. It has a Loctite on it. Let's see, yeah, that one's. You can see nice blue Loctite. Let's see if I get this out this time. Okay. Not easy. The edges are a little bit rough on this plate. You can see it's a 6-pin core. I will show you in a moment that only 5 pins are in, and you can see the anti-bypass plate. Very nice. Pretty cool lock, and a really hard pick. Not easy. I hope you can see. I will only take maybe one key pin out. You see 5 pins. Hopefully I will get it out. Here it is. Actually another one did fall out. You can see nice serrated pins. I think this was the last. Didn't want to take it apart. The holes in the top are so that you can easily repin this one. Very nice. But that's it for taking it apart. I don't feel this good today. So anyway, you can see how hard it's get back together. Pretty cool lock. I really have to thank Parajames for this. Let's get it back together. And I did bend some tension wrenches when trying to get it open. Oopsie. Okay. And as usual at the end, I click with a key. I love this. And when it's open, there's no spring tension anymore. Hope you like this, and see you next time in the next video. Bye.